smoke detector test. Here we go.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide. Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
I don't know why my camera don't want to focus. That was weird. Because of the next one. Ah, here's another one. My ears is bleeding a little bit. This crappy smoke detector. Okay. Oh, there you go. So they're gonna test the white sign, the security camera. So let me bring the tablet. I have the app right here to set it up. It is away sobre el libro de white scam. So anyway, guys, what happened? Where's the app? I don't have the app. Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. You have the voice app open. Let's set off the siren. I need to leave it 30 seconds, make sure it don't fail, so now the test work. If there's a real alarm, they activate automatically. There you go. There you go. They passed the test. So that's it, guys. Subscribe for more.